All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 11,570 miles on the odometer. You do have front windshield tint here. We have the windows down. Alignment is perfect. Steering wheel's nice and straight. The car shifts super smooth. If you see any flickering here on the screens though, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Sport mode. No complaints of drivability, really nice. I'll roll the windows up here. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now this car does have full body PPF paint protection film on it. First thing you might notice, there is some sort of stain here, and I'm thinking when they were filling up the gas here that they may have spilled some on this possibly, and it just kind of burned into that PPF. And you don't feel it, so replacing that panel, that should go away. Looking at the wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Now if you get close, I do see a couple spots on it, if you see that, and some light fading on that gloss black. The rest of that looks good. Here on the side mirror, nice and clean. A-pillar, that looks amazing. Making our way down the door. All of that looks really good. I do see a little spot right here. It's hard to tell if that impacted the paint, but kind of looking up close, I think it's just in the film. The rest of that looks nice. I do see some chipping on the wheel right there. And then there's a couple bubbles in the film. You can see that. There's little air pockets in that. Got the window tint, looks good. Front windshield is tinted as well. Scanning through the hood there. That looks good. Same there. I do not feel any film on the headlights. You see this part is popping out. So let's get down low there. Yeah, that is cracked. Actually from the whole bumper itself. So from about right here, you can see that edge kind of popping out, and it looks like this popped out as well. And then looks like that has a potential crack in it from maybe when they got this. So the alignment is going to be off a little bit. You're going to have some rash on that lower splitter. I see a little snag right here in the film. Once again, it's almost impossible to tell if that impacted the paint. It doesn't look like it though. That fender looks good here on this wheel. Don't see any curb rash. You see a little dirt there on the film lifting on the edge. Got a little spot here as well. A-pillar looks good. Rest of that door's clean. And then here on this wheel, I see some chipping all throughout the edge. And then I see some stains on that as well. Back looks good. Taillights are clean. Walking around that lower bumper. All of that looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating here. All of that trim looks good. You do have some light scuffs here on the plastic. Looking at that bolster, typical wrinkles right there. And then you do have a little bit of wear on that edge. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. Here on the steering wheel, have a really pretty matte finish to it. You have a phone clip, it looks like, designed by Synkwire. That looks good. That looks good. I'm sure you're gonna have typical swirls on that gloss black. From here it looks really good though, but I know it's really common to get some swirls on that plastic. The rest of that though is in great condition. Here on this door panel, that upper section looks perfect. That is all nice and clean. That trim looks awesome. Floor mats look good. Here on that bolster, that's in great condition. I see a little bit of wear right there on that very edge. The rest of that seat looks good though. All of that looks really nice. Looking at all the plastic, of course that's all in great condition. Carpet itself looks amazing, and then here on the underside, a little flaw there. Otherwise, that looks really, really good.